In this example, we're going to learn about the vertical line test. Okay, so when you're trying to test a graph, if you have a graph, and you want to know if it's a function or not, we have something called the vertical line test. So you take a vertical line, I used to call it the pencil test, and you take that pencil and you hold it vertically, straight up and down, and then you run it along your graph like this. And if it touches your graph twice anywhere, then it is not a function. So let me copy this real quickly and we will use this on the next slide. So as we scroll over, let's see if we can get one here. There we go. So what we're going to do is we are going to use this vertical line to tell if these graphs are functions or not. So let's take it to this one first. See, as I come here and I'm doing this, see where it's touching twice? It's touching here, it's touching up there, it's touching up here. Same line is touching down here. So that is not a function. If I go over here to this line though, see how I can keep holding my line vertical all the way across and it never touches the graph but once. Let's look at C. On this one, never touches the graph more than once. So this one is also a function. On this last parabola though, if you look right here, see where it's touching up top and at the bottom? When I move this, it is always touching. Let me get a pen and show you. It's touching in two spots at one time. So that one would not be a function. Now let's look at the next page and they show you this with a dotted line. This one was not a function. This one was a function. This graph was a function. We could move our line all the way across. This one was not a function because we touched it twice.